Today I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the Xpece waterproof drone. Stay tuned. We're going to show you everything from taking care of it to how to fly it. The drone comes with everything you need to start flying right away. In the carrying case, you will find the drone, the propellers, the battery, the remote control, the charger, instruction manual, and warranty card. Now let's install the propellers. The propellers are simple to install. Just pair the colors to the right motor. Red with red and black with black. Then screw them on by turning them opposite direction of the logo. It is very important to make sure that the propellers are screwed on tight. Now that the propellers are installed, let's get into the remote control features. First, peel off the protective film. The controller is also waterproof and has 5 buttons in the front. Come home button. Press this button when you want the drone to come back to the takeoff position and land. The improve video button. In the rare occasion that you experience video interference, press this button and the video signal will improve. The power button. By short pressing and immediately long pressing the power button for 5 seconds, the remote control will turn on. The mark waypoint button. This button marks the Xpece's current position. This way, you can automatically fly to that last position. The video and photo button. By pressing this button for 3 seconds, you will record video, and if you want to take a picture, just press the button once. On the top right side of the remote, you will see the flight modes: slow, medium, and fast speeds. Also on the right side, you will find the camera gimbal tilt dial to tilt the camera up and down. And on the left side, you will find the payload release button.
Payload closed.
And as you can see, it's very easy. That's all the basics of the remote control. Now I'm going to show you how to put an SD card into the camera so you can record video. The 2-axis camera on the Xpece One is fully waterproof. If you want to record video, you have to install an SD card. First, turn the drone off. Unlock the rubber seal of the camera and insert the SD card till you feel it go all the way in. Then close the rubber seal by firmly pressing till it's fully close. It is very important that you push the rubber seal all the way in. The camera has a red laser that lets you pinpoint where you're dropping your bait. It can also assist in locating the drone at night. You can turn the laser on and off by using the left wheel on the remote control. Like everything else on this drone, charging the battery is also very simple. You're going to grab your battery and the charger, attach the charger to the battery, and attach to an outlet. Then, turn the battery on. It takes about 35 to 45 minutes to fully charge. To charge the remote, use the included USB cable and connect to a USB power source. The remote control is also waterproof, so make sure that you close the rubber seals before using it on water. Once charged, insert the flight battery and turn it on by short pressing, then immediately long pressing for 5 seconds until you see the LEDs on the battery fully lit. The first time you fly, wait about 45 seconds for your drone to lock in at least 17 satellites and all menus are green. On the remote control, you have the following indicators: signal strength, remote battery status, FAA remote ID status, video channel, flight mode, satellites locked, battery status, distance and height, horizontal speed and vertical speed, compass, and coordinates.
Ready to fly.
These are the stick functions. The right stick moves the drone forward, back, left and right. And the left stick moves the drone up, down, and yaw. Place the drone on the ground at a safe distance. To arm the motors, move both control sticks inward and downward at the same time. Then, push the left stick up for a second or two and the drone will auto take off and hover. Now you're ready for the adventure. We hope you have an awesome time with your new Xpece One.